So here is my 1953 Farmall Super H. I just got the carburetor back on it. I've taken lots of pictures, but I haven't taken a video of the carburetor. I painted it. Shane Crock rebuilt it. I haven't gotten to drive it very much. The sun's starting to set out here, but I'm gonna really run her good tomorrow and see if I can't get that carb dialed in. It's running pretty good. I try to. About as smooth as I can get it there. On these Super H's, they use the same carb as a regular Farmall M. They just have a different jet size. That's technically your idle mixture adjust. That's your idle speed adjust, and that's kind of your load screw. Kind of hard to get to. Anyways, it runs pretty good. It starts great. I remember whenever I first got it, this thing was an absolute bear to start. And now look at it, it purrs, it doesn't run rough. It starts easy. Oil pressure's still good. Grab that. I do have a couple little leaks. One right there. And I can't remember if I've got one on the other side or not. Surprisingly, no. Tomorrow I'm going to fill the transmission full of diesel. It has nothing in it right now. It's working good. Next big project I have on this thing is replacing the water pump. This one, it's a little worn, has some play in it, but it's not bad. This thing. I need to get in there and see what's wore out on it. I pretty much have to just leave it on all the time because it damn near never shuts off. Even whenever it's supposed to be off, it's pretty much always spinning. I'll rev it up for you guys. Speed. You can read that. Oil pressure's good. Yeah, I can't wait till tomorrow. I'm gonna go out and run the piss out of this thing. Have fun. I took it in road gear for the first time, and I know a lot of guys have to double clutch. You know, start it in fourth, double clutch, and then go into fifth. This thing did great. I done it from a dead stop, shifted it into fifth, and it wound itself up good. It was pretty fast. But I've been, since I've done that, I've messed with the carb a little bit more. So I want to go ahead and see, you know, what it's at, you know. Put it under that load again, because I may take a video tomorrow while I'm driving it. I drove up a really big hill and it did great, but I've since then adjusted the load on it just a little bit. I've turned it in just a hair. It says a little too rich. So I want to see how it's going to do. Tranny's a little noisy. I need to, yeah, it's dripping fluid back here. Back behind that belt pulley. I need to lube the whatchamacallit. Damn, I can't think tonight. The throw out bearing, duh. I might do that tomorrow too. So here she be. I'm really thrilled. Tried crank starting it earlier since I learned how to do that, but my brother bought a WC Alice Chalmers last weekend, and that's what gave me that from him cranking it, and that still hurts pretty bad. Just a blister, but it's had a hard time healing, and it's been cracking and all that. Anyways, I'd say it runs good. This is Shane Prop who did this. So, voila.